About 5 years ago, I conducted an experiment on an end slice of wet wood. As you know, if you cut a slice out of the log and then leave it to dry, it will split. So the experiment I conducted was to 100% seal this slice, which has succeeded. 5 years later, it still sealed it. I used an epoxy resin coating, but sadly in the 5 years, and particularly recently, I've noticed increasing misting, as though moisture is trying to reach the surface. It hasn't actually broken through the surface. So this is a real confession, because obviously the purpose of this was to exploit the beautiful visual character of the end grain and have an end slice that didn't split. And as I say, it's achieved that, but it started misting over. So I felt I had to be honest about this, because I've had quite a lot of views on the original video and also the subsequent ones. I have monitored this experiment over the years, so I'd really welcome any comments or suggestions. I mean, I guess I could skim this on my drum sander and reseal it on the basis that the moisture's already lifted. I mean, that may be a solution, because if you've got the right equipment, that wouldn't take long. In fact, I'll probably do that, because I refuse to give up. And, you know, unless you take risks, you don't progress. Ultimately, I guess nature wins. But let's see. Thank you for watching.